Anika.tv. I hope you enjoyed this video. We're doing the last song on the from when the rest of them played it, the from. So just let me read that. The bonfire night yesterday and at school today, and we made these pictures. But remember, fireworks are dangerous, and I wrote these fireworks. Yeah, and when you throw the sparkler, remember to not get it off the floor because sparklers can burn your hand and kill you. And if you've got a firework in your hand, yeah, don't hold it because you have to give it to a grown-up because grown-ups only can hold fireworks. Because if you do hold it and not give it to a grown-up, then it'll explode and it'll kill you. And this is my picture. This is...
Watch it then. You put your glasses on.
This is my fire engine that we made at school, but not today.
Oh, rocket.
And we drew them, but I didn't decide to draw a fireman. I decided to draw a fire engine, and there's the yellow strip and the red. And I think I should have done the windows black, because there might be curtains. And these are the wheels, and that's the shining where the driving. Like, then that's it.